Jana Mkhwanazi ukhuluma into angazazi nje. There's nothing like that. That what Jana Mkhwanazi is talking about is in his own head, in his own mind.
A few moments later.
Speaking about you not passing a competency assessment report, did you do a competency assessment and did you pass it or you didn't pass it? Why pass and why fail?
Well, I don't. It doesn't say you failed it like it's a it's like whether you passed. What do you call it?
Why pass and why fail?
Let me say it was not positive.
Why pass and why fail?
Okay, let me say I failed.
Okay.
Jindo, what is your definition of an activist?
An activist is a person who is actually an activist is a person who's I'm looking for the right English word, Chair, who is actually no, it's not a difficult word. It's just this word that is disappearing in my mind.